The Aidvantage logo appears.
Welcome to Aidvantage. We're here to help. Use these videos to learn how to use different features in your Aidvantage account.
The logo moves up, and the words "Accessing Inbox" appear under it.
This short video will help you learn how to access your Aidvantage inbox to read letters and communications.
An animation shows a document, a paper airplane, a small plant, and a person with their hands hovering around a circle with a small letter I in it.
It's easy to access your Aidvantage communications. We take your security seriously. That's why you need to log into your account to get your communications.
The words "Follow these 4 steps" appear.
Just follow these 4 steps to learn how to access your inbox.
The words "Step 1 Login" appear above a screen with the Aidvantage website homepage.
First, to log in, go to aidvantage.studentaid.gov.
The screen zooms to the secure login area on the web page. The cursor clicks the Login button.
Next, go to the Secure Login box and click Login.
A page titled "Please read before continuing" appears and scrolls down to show Accept and Decline buttons. The cursor clicks the Accept button.
Before you can continue, you must read a warning message. After you read the message, click Accept.
The login page appears. The cursor clicks on the user ID and password fields. An example user ID and password are entered in the fields.
To log in, enter your user ID and password, then click Login. If you forgot your user ID or password, you can click on the Forgot User ID or Forgot Password at the bottom of the box.
The Forgot User ID and Forgot Password buttons are outlined to bring attention to them. The cursor clicks on the Login button.
You can choose to sign up for email and online communications. Enter your email address twice and then click Yes, send me emails. If you don't want to sign up, click No, thanks.
A pop-up titled "Sign up for e-delivery today" appears. The cursor moves to the 2 fields and enters an example email address. The cursor clicks the Yes, Send Me Emails button at the bottom of the screen. The account summary page of the Aidvantage website appears.
Next, you will go to the account summary page.
The menu at the top of the page is outlined to draw attention to it.
In the menu in the blue bar at the top of the page, click Inbox.
The words "Step 2, Click Your Inbox" link appear above the account summary page. The menu item Inbox is outlined to draw attention to it. The cursor clicks on Inbox. The Inbox page appears.
This is an example of what your inbox will look like. On this page, there are 2 tabs for your inboxes.
The words "Step 3, Choose one of the tabs" appear above the Inbox page.
One is for Documents We Sent You.
The Documents We Sent You tab is outlined to draw attention to it.
You won't find any letters from your previous servicers here, only those sent from Aidvantage will be in this inbox. And the other is for Documents You Sent Us.
The cursor moves to and clicks on the Documents You Sent Us tab. The Documents You Sent Us inbox appears.
Click on the tab for the inbox you want to go to.
The cursor moves to and clicks on the Documents We Sent You tab. The words "Step 4, Select a Document to View" appear above the inbox page.
On the Documents We Sent You tab, you can click on the PDF icon of the document you want to download and view.
A circle appears around the PDF icon to draw attention to it. The cursor moves to and clicks on the PDF icon. An example PDF document opens on the screen.
Your document will open in your browser to view, download, or print.
The cursor moves to the upper right where both the download icon and print icon are located on the screen. The document on screen vanishes and the Aidvantage logo appears.
That completes the steps for finding documents in your inbox. Thank you for taking the time to learn how by watching this video.
The web address www.aidvantage.studentaid.gov appears under the logo.